A railroad switch is a mechanical installation enabling railway trains to be guided from one track to another, such as a railway junction where a spur or siding branches off. The switch consists of a pair of linked tapered rails known as points, or some people call them switch rails or even point blades, lying between the diverging outer rails or stock rails. These points can be moved laterally into one of two positions to direct a train coming from the narrow end toward a straight path or towards a diverging path. A train moving from the narrow end toward the point blades up, either right or straight, is said to be executing a facing point movement. Unless the switch is locked, a train coming from either the diverging direction or straight will pass through the points onto the narrow end regardless of the position of the points. As the train wheels will force the point to move open. Passing through a switch in this direction is known as a trailing point movement. A switch generally has a straight through track, which you see straight ahead there, such as a main line or even a spur line, and a diverging route, that would be the one going off to the right there in the plant. The handiness of installation is described by the side that is diverging track leaves. Now this switch track going into the plant here is moving off to the right, so it would be referred to as a right-hand switch, having a diverging path to the right of the straight track. When coming from a narrow end, a left-handed switch has a diverging track leaving the opposite side, so it would be going off to the left like onto the main track there.